Hello guys, this is Nitin and you are watching me on our YouTube channel English is the Art Only like Madhubani Painting. Today I have been in front of you to announce about this special day. Today is Father's Day. I wanna say something about this special day. The nothing is in this world that may have not been given by your father. Your father have your father has given you integrity, honesty, love, affection, hard working, and these things are important to make your good content. Then you should respect your parents. You should love your parents. If any person respect their father, can never be awaited to achieve anything in life. For example, let me give an example about myself. If I wouldn't have been loved, followed my father's path, really I would have fallen down in something wrong. But my father honesty helped me lot of to overcome that situation, and today I have been in front of you. I feel motivated every time I feel myself and lucky person. Really, I never fear anything because I am honest, and this honesty has been given to my parents, my father. This hard working and the affection and the honesty. On this basis, I am growing my character, conduct. One day, this conduct will be lead a large amount of the people, a large region of the people when I don't know about this. But at this time, I am happy and I was happy and I would be happy. At this time, whatever responsibility I have, I am performing with happiness, and in my forthcoming time, I will I will perform with happiness. I always respect my father. I always follows the path that my father given me, and already told you that helped me a lot of. If I wouldn't have followed the path guided by my father, I would have been missed in my life. I would have lost everything because this is youth. When a person enters in this youth puberty, in this teenager, there are a lot of misguidance available in this society all around you because the nature of this body to do something extraordinary things like creating bad things to attract the people. The meaning of this body is to attract the people, attract the other body. The exact meaning of this body nature, the one and most important aim of this body is to have sex with everyone. But this is not good for at that time when you are growing up your character. If you make commands in this special time on your emotion, then you can do everything. Please calm down to yourself up to 25. This is the special time for you, and you can do this work while following your parents, your father's guidance. This is why I also I also say that respect your parents, always respect your parents. And I I would like to say again, if I wouldn't have followed my parents' path, I would have been missed and I would have fallen down in Sambalab. And I couldn't have been here at that time I am here. Okay, I am very happy. I am very happy. And I would be a great leader, and I would lead the large amount of the people. I am very happy. Uh, okay, this is special thing on this Father Day. I love my father. I love my father. I loved my father, and I also would love forever my father. Really, my father taught me lot of things in my life. तो मेरे दोस्तों, आपने अपने माता पिता से, इसके तरफ अपने पिताश्री से कोई चीज़ सीखी हो तो उसके लिए आप दृढ़ संकल्प लें कि अपने जीवन में कुछ अच्छा ही करेंगे। इस स्पेशल विशेष उम्र पे किसी भी प्रकार का अहवाल अपने अंदर नहीं उत्पन्न होने देंगे। ये नितिन ने अपने जीवन में बहुत करीबी से देखा है। ये जवानी इस समय की 13 से 18 के बीच की थोड़ी सी नेचर बॉडी का ऐसे ही होता है कि हम एक दूसरे को आकर्षित करें, बॉडी एक दूसरे को आकर्षित करने लगती है। पर जिसने अपने इमोशन पे कंट्रोल कर लिया वो व्यक्ति एक दिन बन जाता है, कुछ कर जाता है। अपने पिता के आदर्शों पे चलो, इससे बड़ा कोई चीज़ नहीं है दुनिया में। कोई नहीं चाहता कि आप आगे बढ़ें, केवल एक पिता चाहता है कि मेरा बेटा मुझसे आगे बढ़े, मुझसे आगे बढ़े। तो आई सल्यूट माई पेरेंट्स, आई सल्यूट माई फादर एंड आई लव माई फादर, आई वुड लव माई फादर। If you like this video, then you can forward this video. If you don't like this video, no problem for me. This things can never await me to move further. I would always move further because my moving power is in me, not by any supporting. If you support me, then you will definitely get the pleasure and you will get the good things to make yourself move further and develop further. Okay, bye bye, see you later, bye.